Day 4, the final day of the GS Transylvania tour. We've got 261 kilometers to do today to get to our destination. Half of those are off-road, half are on-road. We've got a very special crossing with a ferry boat. It's a very different type of ferry boat. I think you're going to enjoy that, so keep watching. Wow! Wow! With such lovely scenery all around, I had to pull over and test my nature photography skills. But soon the Instagram vultures appeared, demanding that I take photos of them in lots of different positions for them to put up all over social media. I then did the only thing possible. I left. Leaving the Instagram vultures behind, I was thoroughly enjoying my ride through this magical land. The scenery seemed to show me something new after every corner. Feeling a little peckish, I decided to find a nice place for a bit of brunch. And what better stop than a hilltop where you had a 360-degree view. But soon the rolling hills gave way to flatland, and I had the opportunity to ride through an open pit mine. I have no idea what they were mining there, but the road was amazing. Now this is a road! The road was flawless, so it was the perfect opportunity to take the drone out and throw it up in the air. With the road being so dusty, the only place the drone could take off was my top case. Look at that, this forest looks like it's a witch forest. The wicked witch lives in this forest. I soon found out the price that the wicked witch required me to pay. Dust, 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 dust everywhere. There's a big truck in front. Jesus, this is impossible. Ah! This very quickly turned from a very enjoyable road to a very crappy road. And you can't overtake him. Look at that, everything white now. Let's stop. Look at that, it's all white. Look, white, white, white. You can't overtake him because you can't see where you're going. You might crash into somebody else. So the only thing you can do is just sit and wait. In the blistering heat. Oh, the fun times. Freedom air. After cleaning my nostrils with a power washer, some of us met up at the river crossing.
Ia-o încet, încet, frumos. Vedem ce crezi că poți să vezi eu. Băi, dar nu faci o baie. Dar vin noi. Băi, stai să fac o poză, mă, la.
These are the last 60 kilometers of the tour. Yesterday after the puncture and it being a very long day, I got really fed up and I wasn't enjoying myself. And today, now that I'm doing the last hour of it, I'm really gonna miss it. It's been one hell of a journey, 1,200 kilometers, some scenery that is impossible to describe, so it's a pity that it's ending. We'll just have to do it again next year. This is one hell of a machine. It hasn't let me down in the slightest. It just keeps going and going and going and going. I've been lucky until now, I've not dropped it once. That view is amazing. The last half an hour to the finishing line was uneventful, and that gave me enough time to contemplate the 3 previous days of riding and the adventure we had. After checking in and taking a nice long shower, we met up for our trophy ceremony and to remember all the nice times we had together in the previous 4 days.
N-a slăbit deloc n-a slăbit zilele astea.
Mi-a plăcut foarte mult de tine.
Păi să vă arăt eu poza aia.
Tot înainte. Nu m-a prins.
Înainte unde? Păi ce ne-ntemea? Point fixation, nu e object fixation, incultule.
Forever eating.
Eating.
Oameni buni, încă o dată, oameni buni. Deci, într-o ordine absolut aleatorie. Da? Domnul Daniel Ghilință, evident.
Dă-i apă la moară, Matei, așa, dă-i apă la moară.
Domnule Ghilință.
Un om și un ungur.
Să nu mai avem, cred.
Atât știu eu. Cum a fost în Siberia?
Mulțumesc foarte mult.
Povestește-mă, de ce te-ai îmbrăcat în ștrampești?
Prima urmă de lumină, că l-am văzut asta pe Cabral pișându-se, noroc că stătea pe spate. Altfel eram pe targă la ora asta.
Ți se făcea poftă, nu?
Toți găsuri în tabără de 10 mai puțin.
At home at last, feeling both very happy and very sad because the adventure's finished, it's over, it's back to reality now. Basically, if you haven't been on one of these organized tours before, I really suggest that you do one at least, because the difference between an organized tour and going out for a day or two with your mates is quite big. Now, these guys that we went with, obviously, they go and they scout their location and make sure all the tracks are fine. And then a week before, they go and they scout again to make sure that there's no surprises or anything on the track. You know, when we start a day, even if it's a hard day, a 300-kilometer day with 150 kilometers of off-road, we're not stressed out at all about getting to our destination, because we know somebody's gone out and checked the track before and there are no surprises waiting for us. This relieves a lot of stress, and you can ride with a bigger smile on your face. And secondly, you know that there's always a safety car behind you somewhere that's got either spare parts or tools or anything, so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. A lot of nice people that we met this year as well. Hope to ride with them again. This bike is amazing off and on road. Even if the road disappears and you sit and struggle with it for half a day, the moment you're done with the off-road and you've still got 150 kilometers left of on-road, just sit back and relax and it'll take you to your destination. It's a brilliant bike, and go have a test drive if you've never ridden one. Hope you guys had a great time watching these. I definitely had a great time making them. Subscribe if you want to see more. Hit that like button, hit the dislike button if you didn't enjoy it. Cheers, see you on the next one. Bow! Wash your bike, eat your porridge, be good.